So, from this slide, I'm gonna start the modeling of the uh, macron scale. But before that, I want to add some points for the inherent strain methodology that we are going to use in this method. As you know, the Abaqus software, uh, in the software, a new module uh, has been added in 2019, the AM Modeler plugin that is widely used in the, industry and research fields. So why we are going to introduce the inherent string method? Why? What is the benefits? What are the advantages of the uh, inherent string method compared to the AM modeler plugin in Abaqus? I would say the inherent string method has some advantages and some disadvantages. But according to my experience, uh, as you know, the AM Modeler plugin includes different subsections for uh, trajectory-based and pattern-based of the LPBF process simulation that you can use, and uh, you can also introduce the eigenstrain value. However, the eigenstrain values can be captured at first and then applied to the AM modeler plugin to predict the residual stress and distortion in the part scale. So, you know, this method, the inherent stress method, uh, is being used widely in different commercial software, but the underlying algorithm are not clear. So this is the first objective of this tutorial, that to find out the way of definition for the inherent strain values. And also, I saw in the AM Modeler plugin of the Abaqus, there are some limitations. For example, for the temperature-dependent material properties, it's a little bit challenging because you are supposed to input your data in the plugin according to the some predefined modules and event series. And there is less control, I think, on the heat source modeling type. Uh, uh, when you go through the AM modeler plugin of the Abaqus, you can compare the uh, the method that we are gonna introduce in this tutorial and the method of the AI modeler plugin. You will see the comparison of these methods. So in this tutorial, we are going to delve into the method of inherent strain and find out the uh, algorithm of the method. And finally, you will see that the efficiency of this uh, technique for LPBF process simulation.